Menteri Rangba Kejala Bakmi Yakatnat Kampo Yeng Uba Prestone Tensong Hagas Ngi Balang Ola Kentu Yakinong Yalam Bahakli Kahinyo Trep National Liberation Council HNLC Bakimde Ban Artatien Yang Sorkar Pedeng Pat Sorkar Jela Namar Kilong Ki Balakre Ban Ay Lynti Yai Kabashangain Bakin Wan Shakamej Ïasuk Ïasuk Katkum Kajing Ong Jongu ka Sorkar Kalong Balakre Ban Pinlong Jingïakren Ïasuk Wat Shabar Kejala Mekalaya Kene Jingïakren usembut Menteri Rangba kalami hadin sansngi ba chairman kam commander in chief ke HNLC ba Bobby Marwain ba general secretary kam publicity secretary ba Sain Kupar Nong Thau kilapan pau ya gajing bamla banwan ya simbenta ha Jingïakren Ïasuk tat hadu ka Sorkar kala kloy ban wengno ya baro ki case bala pangat persya ya ki ban ya soy ya ka soskular sange ya siat.
Let me again reiterate very clearly. Both state and central government are serious about talks. And I would like to just refresh all of you that the formal talk has happened only once. Well, before that, so many informal talks has happened, even up to my level. So the formal talk has happened once. In that formal talk, ultimately, from the government side, both central and state government, has requested the members of the HNLC, please allow the talk to continue, number one. And number two, because the decision to be taken should be only by the top leaders. And from the government side, Government of India and state government has already appointed interlocutor, and from the central government side also they already appointed with full authority. So what I'm trying to tell you here is this: the last meeting what we discussed in that formal meeting, we said, okay, since you cannot say anything right now, go back, share with your top leaders, and our opinion from the government side, state and central government is very clear. The moment they are ready, please come back. The door is open for talk. Maybe the talk number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, whatever it may be. But the talk should continue. But I've seen the statement made by the HNLC recently. They said that unless you do this, we will not again come back for talk. So my request again to the HNLC is like this: please come back for talk, because unless we talk face to face, what you want, what you really wanted to, we will not reach anywhere. And we have been sincere enough. Not less than 3-4 months, we have taken care of the cadres. We have taken care of them, be it the safety, and there was no such arrest also. Why are you having that apprehension? So I would request the top leaders of the NGO, don't have any kind of apprehension, don't have any doubt. We are sincere from the government, be it state and be it central government, number one. And number two, if you feel that it is not safe for talking here within Meghalaya, we are ready even to talk anywhere. Central government and state government are ready to talk anywhere. If you want to have a talk maybe somewhere in Calcutta or somewhere in other states, we are ready for that. So my request to the top leaders of HLC is very clear. The door is still open, and we would request to them to kindly come back for talk, and we are ready to talk across the table.